This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Hey friends, it's been a while, but I'm finally back with a new video. As some of you might know, I took a short break to sort out some love stuff, and the past 3 months have been really crazy. I was completely caught up in moving, packing, and getting my new place in order. It was a lot, and it's still in progress. And about this drawing, I actually filmed this back in my old apartment. My plan was to post it last month, but things got so hectic with the move that I just didn't get a chance to finish editing and film a few last shots. But here I am sketching a random face I found on Pinterest. Portraitdrawing actually sent me their new Malia solid watercolor set again. As you can see, it still comes in the same purple box as the previous version. I noticed they've made some upgrades. You can check out my previous video if you want to compare it more to the older version. One thing I love is how they've switched up some of the paint colors. It feels warmer and darker this time. It's totally giving earthy tones, which if you've been following me for a while, you know I'm obsessed with. So I wasn't able to finish this because I was already preparing for my move at the time, but I recently painted another one which I'll show you after this quick break from today's sponsor. Squarespace is a user-friendly platform for building and hosting websites that's known for its sleek, modern designs and powerful customization options. Their design intelligence features suggest layouts, color schemes, and fonts based on the type of website you're creating, making it easy to get started even if you're not a designer. They also offer Squarespace payments, which is perfect for online stores, allowing you to accept payments directly on your site for a seamless checkout experience. Plus, SEO tools are built right in, helping your site rank better on search engines without needing extra plugins. It's an all-in-one solution, so I don't have to juggle different tools to keep my site looking and performing its best. Start your free trial today at squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, visit squarespace.com/pateseich to save 10% off your first website or domain purchase. A big thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. So while I was on a break, I did not expect to hit 100k subs that quickly. I'm honestly speechless, and I can't thank you all enough for the support. To everyone who stuck around even with my breaks and pauses, it means the world to me, and I'm so grateful for each of you. I really want to be more active from here on out. I'm learning to manage everything on my own, but it's definitely been a big adjustment. I've come to realize something about myself. When things feel overwhelming, I have this habit of either shutting down or distracting myself with busy work. Tasks that feel productive but don't actually address the real priorities. It's like my brain's way of coping, but it often just delays the inevitable. Recognizing this pattern has been eye-opening for me, and I'm really trying to be more intentional about breaking out of it. As a full-time content creator, this struggle feels amplified. I wear so many hats. It's fulfilling, but managing everything on my own makes it difficult to draw clear boundaries between personal life and work. It's so easy to blur the lines when your passion becomes your career. Suddenly, everything feels urgent and there's always something that needs attention. I've learned though that this cycle isn't sustainable. I believe creativity thrives in balance. When I overwork myself, my ideas start to feel forced, and I lose the spark that made me love what I do in the first place. On the flip side, avoiding the real work because of overwhelm doesn't help either. It just leaves me more stressed in the long run. What helps me is reminding myself that it's okay to step back and take a breath. Productivity doesn't always mean constant action. Sometimes it's about reflecting and allowing yourself the space to recharge. As creatives, we're always figuring things out, evolving not just in our craft but in how we approach life. And that's okay because growth isn't freaking linear. It's messy, but it's fun.